Hello everyone, I hope you recognize me, myself Chinu Thakur Jaswal, and today we are discussing the part 2 of my PTE practice papers. Okay, I have already mentioned you each and every point which is connected to this test, the number, score, and the path, strategy, the benefits of this examination, everything I mentioned in my previous class. So if you don't watch that video, please go and watch that video first, then you come to this video. Okay, so let's start today's class. In today's sessions, we are going to move with second important English proficiency. Yes. So these are the point which I have already mentioned. So today we are not discussing this. We are discussing about the repeat sentence. Okay. This practice is really very innovative and very nice. Actually, this is very interesting part. Repeat sentence. You have to heard some sounds and you just repeat the sentence. It's very easy if you understand the way how they speak. So I'm going to give you 3 to 4 practicing sentences. So you have to repeat the sentence in your tone, in your wording, but you have to listen first what they are saying. You have to pick the correct sentence. Okay, so let's move on with the practice test. So this is the overview which I have already mentioned in our previous class, but see again, first read aloud that we have done in our first class. Okay, that was really very interesting session also. So please watch that video plus. Okay, and repeat sentence. So in repeat sentence, number in test is 10 to 12. They will give you 10 to 12 thing. 10 to 12, you have to heard properly. You have to speak the sentence as it is they saying in the sound. Okay, so let's practice for that. And for that, you have to give only, they will provide you 15 seconds and you have to speak that word as per the timing. Okay, let's start. So, are you ready, guys? First, as you heard the sound, try to write in your copy or try to repeat the sentence as soon as possible. Okay, I'm going to start that sound.
Solar power is going to replace coal and oil as our primary energy source in the near future.
Okay, so what is the answer? Have you written in your copy? I'm giving you full time. You write down in your copy because this is for your practice. But at that moment, I don't think that you would get the chance to uh, write down in a copy. So this is your practice session. So you can write or you can speak also. So shall I open this link? 1, 2, 3. Solar power is going to replace coal and oil as our primary energy source in the near future. Okay? Hope you understand that. Okay. Let's do one more. Okay, ready? Yes.
Please make sure that you collect all of your belongings and take them with you.
Okay. I hope you got the sentence correct. Okay. You want to listen one more time? Okay.
Please make sure that you collect all of your belongings and take them with you.
Yes. So what would be? Okay. Should I start the counting? You have only 15 seconds. Guys, you have to give the answer in 15 seconds. So your answer is, please make sure that you collect all of your belongings and take them with you. Okay. So one more. Okay.
Last winter, my heating bill was 3 times the cost of the winter before, and I was still cold all the time.
Got it? This is easy, right? Okay. Should I open? Open. 1, 2, 3. Last winter, my heating bill was 3x the cost of the winter before, and I was still cold all the time. Okay. So last, okay, I'm going one more to you. Then we'll end the class, this one, and then we'll take another session for next topic. Okay. Ready? Okay.
The best advice a teacher ever gave me was to take organized and detailed notes in class.
I hope you get that. I open? Are you ready, guys? Okay. One, two, three. The best advice a teacher ever gave me was to take organized and detailed notes. Okay? I hope you understand this question paper, the test of this piece. How can you prepare your class? Everything. So, is this easy or tough? This is not easy. You have to take so many practice session in your class. So guys, be there with me. I'm always there for you. I'm just making many practicing papers for your further classes. So be there, subscribe the channel so that you will get each and every information in your further classes. Okay. So bye and take care. We'll meet soon with our next describe image session. Okay.